Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can make conditions within your CSS. So let me write here some mixin example. So here we have written a mixin and font type with the name of and font is base, and then actually we need to add up braces here, and then add the if condition with the font variable, and then is equal to bold. So it will create the font family with the name of AVENRI. So for example, if you are using Google Fonts and you want to specify the type of your CSS, you will also define the conditions within your CSS. So now I'm gonna add a another example here. If condition with else if actually we don't need this braces, else if, and then we will add a condition here with the variable of font is equal to italic. We need to add font family with the name of light italic, and you can also add another condition actually we will add else here with the font family name should be light. So now I'm gonna call this mixin conditional mixin into my CSS. So I'm gonna add a heading here, and then fonts family. Actually we need to include this font type with the bold. So here we got the overall demi where we have write this code. This we have called the mixin type and then bold here, so it will automatically write the these values, and for example I will write here italic. It will automatically regenerate your font family with the italic. If you don't need any of your value within your mixin, you will get the else results. So you can also set the values as per your requirement For example, if you are using multiple fonts, like one for the headings and second for the paragraph, you will definitely need to add a mixin with the types of their fonts. You can add multiple fonts here with the conditional. So it will be very easy to just write a simple code with the includes and just mixin, call a mixin, and you will get the results, the same results as you want, and without any time wasting. You don't need to remember all these font families. You just only remember the bold, italic thing, because we already know that there are many font weights within a font. So you can also set these fonts as a conditional mixins. You can also set the section margins and paddings, and the visually balancing of the vertical line of each element, um, as a conditional. So you just only need to create a simple files that you may include your each project. So you just only customize all those mixins and call these values into your each project. So that is how you can add the mixins. So I'm gonna show you an other example with the mixins condition. So if we have the variable with the name of weather, sunny, and the paragraph tag should have the if condition, where the name of your variable weather and equals overcast, and your value should be gray. And you can also add another condition, else if you are a true programmer, you will definitely know about the um, else and if conditions of your codes. So you just only do not need to write the condition within your JavaScript or jQuery library, and you can also add the these conditions within your Sass. So that's very easy. So we will add the variable here and equals sunny, and then we will got the value should be yellow, and the else we have the blue color. So for example, we have our variable equals sunny. We will got these values in our project, in our CSS actually. So if we have set this variable with the overcast, we will get the results with the gray. And if we don't have any variable, we will got no result, because we don't set any of the variable equals. So here we got the results, and if we don't have any of these, we will definitely don't get any of results. So that's how you can add a variable equals and the conditional thing in your project. The full range of operators are equal to, which will work with the double equal sign, and then you will also add the not equal thing and the less than sign and then greater than sign. Actually this is the less than and this is the greater than sign, and greater than equal and then less than equals also. We have these conditions in our Sass projects, so it will be very useful for us. And now I'm gonna create a loop here with the mixin. For example, at sign for with the dollar sign I from 1 through 10, and then dot call is equal to hash, and then we will call a I variable within it, and then actually not process, and then width here should be 10% static dollar I, then this, and that is how you can manage your columns of 10% to 10%. For example, if you need to generate the percentage width within your project while looping your Sass, you just only need to write this code and auto generated your 10 columns with the each 10% increment in every width. So if we can create a 100 mixins, you can also generate this with the percentage sign, and each of the value have the 10% increment of your width. So that is how you can create your grids in your project. So that's all for now, guys, and hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and get the latest update. Well, just click the bell icon, and you can also visit my website and install my app in your mobile phone to see access of my tutorials for you. And see you guys in my next video.